Hi there, welcome to our new home. This is a very old home. It was built back in 1911 on the waterfront in St. Petersburg, Florida. Then in the 1950s, it was moved here to a plantation where they grew oranges and lemons and pineapples. It's a fruit farm, so welcome to our fruit farm. Actually, welcome to our remodel. So over the next few weeks, and probably months, we're going to take you on a journey, our journey, through this old house.